Hello friends, today I've got two books to read to you. One is about polar bears from the Arctic and one is about penguins from the Antarctic. The polar bear book is called Ice Bear, In the Steps of the Polar Bear, and it's written by Nicola Davies and illustrated by Gary Blythe. Ice Bear. Our people, the Inuit, call it Nanook, white bear, ice bear, sea bear, others say. It's a bear all right, but not like any other. It's a polar bear, made for our frozen world. No frost can steal polar bear's heat. It has a double coat, one of fat, 4 fingers deep, and one of fur, which has an extra trick for beating cold. Its hairs aren't really white, but hollow, filled with air to stop the warmth escaping underneath. The skin is black to soak up heat. Its ears sit close to its head, neatly out of cutting winds, and its feet are furred for warmth and grip, so polar bear stays warm no matter what. It will sleep away a blizzard and a drift, and wash in snow. Polar bear is a great hunter. It outweighs 2 lions and makes a tiger look too small. A single paw would fill this page and shred paper with its claws. It can run as fast as a snowmobile or walk and walk for days on end. It can swim 100 miles without a rest to cross the sea between the ice floes, then shake the water from its fur and walk again. Nothing stops polar bear. Seals are its prey. It hunts them far out in the frozen sea, waiting at a breathing hole or stalking them as they sleep. Polar bear is a white shape in a white world, invisible until it's too late. A lightning paw strike, a crushing bite, and the seal is gone. But polar bear is gentle too. Mother polar bear in her winter snow den tends her newborn cubs. She lifts their tiny bodies in her great paws and suckles them. In spring, she'll take them hunting, and for 2 years, she'll protect and feed them until they're learned, like her, to hunt alone. Alone, through the summers when the sun tracks up and down the sky, and one day passes to another with no night between. Alone through winters when the sun never rises and the stars of the great bear sparkle in the darkness. Alone until the paths of 2 lone hunters cross. They'll wave their heads in greeting, clasp jaws so tenderly they wouldn't break an egg. Cautiously, they'll try each other's strength. Then, play! Giants flowing in the whiteness, tumbling beautiful as snowflakes. Until they part and slowly go their separate ways. We Inuit, we watch Nanook, as we first watched when the earth seemed new and polar bear showed us how to love the Arctic, how to hide from blizzards in a house of snow, how to hunt for seals with patience and with speed, how to live in the starlit day and sunlit night. Many polar bears and Inuit have passed since then, and still we share our world with gratitude and pride. Here's the end and some information about polar bears. And that closes the book, Ice Bear. I hope you enjoyed the book, Ice Bear.